Hello, this video is to demonstrate my mid to late 1960s Gregory Mark 16. This amp I've just restored. When I got this, it had a different grill, a metal grill on it, so I replaced that with some Amperex grill cloth, which is extremely close to the original stuff. I had slivers of it on the back left, so I was able to compare and get something very, very close. The handle was also missing, but luckily they used suitcase handles that were exactly like this, so I was able to track down this handle from another old suitcase. So that's restored. The speaker was originally a Quam speaker, and that has been changed now to a 1960s Jensen. It's all tube. The output is push-pull 6BQ5A. What I have in there right now is a set of really closely matched Amperex tubes. The preamp tubes are all 12AX7, and they are also all Amperex. Those were the original ones that came in it. Went ahead and biased it. Also changed every single cap in the amp. At least all the non-polarized ones. The electrolytics actually, oddly enough, seemed to be fine, so I left those in place. Everything else is pretty much original, just basically been cleaned and restored. The reverb is actually driven by a circuit which resides in this little pocket. I made this little pocket up for it, but originally it was just screwed in with a couple screws over here on the side and kind of covered up with a piece of shielded paper. So put this bag here to hold it in, and that actually had needed some work as well. So I went through and replaced some components on that. But pretty much this is an all restored Gregory Mark 16. If you're not familiar with Gregory amps, they were made in New Jersey. By a New Jersey company, and I presume the company was called Gregory because this was their main line of amplifiers. I actually have an old book that is a music trade publication with a lot of Gregory of the time in there. I also have, if you look back in my other videos, and I will post a link. I will post a link in one of the corners here to a video of my other Gregory that I have, and also I'll post a link to a Gregory that I cloned for a customer of mine, and that was the Mark 10. This again is the Mark 16. The Mark 16 is 2 channels. The blue knobs that you see here are the channels volume and tone, and here's volume and tone for channel 2. Each channel has a high gain and a low gain input. Here's the high gain and low gain for the second channel. Again, it has reverb, and here's the reverb control, and it has tremolo. But we'll check out some of it. Right now I have the channels jumpered into the high gain with an 88 American Standard Telecaster, and then jumper to the second channel, so you can get the maximum amount of gain there. 1960s Gregory Mark 16.